Welcome everybody back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look and slick back your natural. If you have 4C, 4B hair, this will be a perfect example of how to slick it back and get a somewhat sleek look for your natural hair. And if you don't have 4C hair but you have curly hair, this will also help you too. And so this is my hair before. I'm going to start off with dry hair. I'm in the process of going back natural. I've been on and off natural for the past 10 years, since 2010, and sometimes I like to change up my hair, but now I'm going back to natural. And I have a few straight pieces in my hair, but glad I'm going back because for me it's just like simple, a simple style to deal with. And so I'm going to just place a rubber band ponytail in the middle of my head as a guideline to where I want this my bun to be. Now I will start off with a little bit of Wetline, and I'm going to go ahead and just do my whole head. I'm going to take the Wetline gel and massage it into my curls all the way through, and then section by section brush my hair back into that center area where I placed the ponytail. So go ahead and watch as I sleek my hair back, and I hope you enjoy this video. Now you all, it is okay to take a break. Your arms will hurt as you continue to brush your hair up into this bun. And there it is. I never thought that I could do this. Out of 10 years, I've seen videos on YouTube, but I never tried it. So this is my first time. I've always used Eco Styler Gel. I don't think it would have done this for me in my hair texture, but Wetline has done it and I like it. And next I'm just going to go ahead and spray some Got To Be glued blasting spray on my hair to give it that extra hold, and then I will wrap my hair with the wrapping paper all around the ponytail, all the way up. And I don't like using the sit down blow hair dryers, so I'm going to let my hair air dry. And I'm sorry I don't have the results, but I have a picture of what my hair looks like afterwards. And I hope that you can try this, and I hope that it works for you all. And I will be back to test out another gel to see if it gives better results, same or worse results. So stick around for my channel for that, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.